All right, so today we're working on, is this 16? 17 Focus ST. And we know he was having problems with third and fourth gear, so we thought, okay, it's probably synchros. So we got the transmission pulled, got everything apart. And what it ended up being is this shifter fork right here. You can see that little plastic tab in there. And it won't focus nice. There we go. See how that tab's moving like that? And now if you look, it's going to be a lot harder to see on this side, but that same fork on the other side is completely missing that shifter fork tab right there, part that's moving in the middle. That should have a tab on both sides. So here's the new one, and you can tell I've got both my tabs fully intact. So the only problem that I'm betting with this trans is that shifter fork broke, and those little tabs. So this one still has it for fifth and sixth gear over here. This has both tabs on both sides, looking real nice. Yeah, both tabs are still in there. So these little white tabs there, just little plastic tabs, all that pain for those two. If you are taking your trans apart, there's a bunch of YouTube videos already, but one thing I will say with these top bolts right here, they're reverse thread. So we're stopping here because we need a gear puller to pull the rest of these bearings off. We got all the crap on the outside, the plastic, but we're putting the nice metal ones on, the steel caged. When you're taking these out, it's not actually that hard if you have someone holding the whole base of the trans and a breaker bar, and we just left everything together before we pulled all these stacks out. But get this really hot with a heat gun. So like I just used that little heat gun right there. Cool. Yeah, that little guy. And it did the trick. Honestly, we just put it right on the top of the bolt, got it super hot. If you have the plastic stock bearings on here, it's going to melt them. So plan on getting the steel cage anyway if you're even going to break your trans open at all, because it'll make it easier. And good luck keeping those plastic ones nice. But while we're in here, we're going to do everything. We've got all the new synchros down here, so we're going to do all that. We're going to take everything apart. I might throw another little video up for that. But yeah, if third and fourth gear are bad, before your shop tells you it's your fault for driving hard, these little plastic guys are liable to break. So if you somehow have a warranty, that could be your culprit. But yeah, third and fourth gear is a weird one to go out. So I was thinking shifter fork, and I had them buy one just to be safe, and sure enough, that was it. So if you have any questions, comment, and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.